Assigning multiple values to Python variables, there are some ways to assign it. The first, we can use many values to multiple variables. So the example is this. So this will assign X with orange, Y with banana, and Z with cherry. So we can prove it by typing print, output it Y and Z. Now, if we print, see orange from X, Y is banana, and cherry is Z. This is called many values to multiple variables. The other things how to assign values to variables is by using one value to multiple variables. This is how to apply one value to multiple variables. This means that X, Y, and Z has the similar value. We can output it and Z. So if we print it, so now X, Y, and Z has similar value as orange. The other way to assign values to Python also, you can use this unpack collection. So this is very important to remember, but don't worry, we are going to coming back again in the future using this one because it's dealing with lists. These fruits is a list of apple, banana, and cherry. This is called list in Python. In JavaScript, it's called array. So this is a list. So if you want to get the apple, banana, and cherry, we need to unpack it within their own respective variables. So how to use this? It's quite simple. You just need to apple is x, assign it to x, and banana to Y, and cherry to Z, all to fruits. So now when we print it, see this one is Y. Now X is apple, Y is banana, and Z is cherry. So this is the way how you apply variables in Python.